Mix carrots, potatoes, and cucumbers and be amazed. So start this recipe by grating your carrots. This is one of those recipes that's really easy and so very tasty. Next, we're going to grate the cucumbers. And of course, using a grater, be careful not to hurt yourself. They are very sharp. And after that, we're going to finish with the potatoes. This process is very quick and very simple. Next, we're just going to remove the excess vegetables from the grater. And now we're going to add 4 eggs to this mixture. Then add 100 grams of ham. Add all of the contents. Also add some salt and some black pepper. You can add as much or as little as you like. And then just stir and mix everything really, really well. This recipe is great for cooking for the whole family. Everyone always loves it, even the kids. And it's also very, very colorful. So it comes out really pretty. Now add some parsley and some spring onions and 2 crushed garlic and then 1 cup of breadcrumbs. And just stir everything together again. Now add this mixture to an oiled frying pan. So we're essentially making a vegetable pie with ham. Now spread it out well in the pan. And a good tip for this recipe is to cook it over medium heat so that it doesn't burn. And just remember that eggs tend to burn a little bit faster, and we do want it to crisp a little bit, but that medium heat will be perfect. So just cover and leave it to cook. Then with the help of a plate, we're going to remove the eggs and turn them over. Now after turning, just like that, we are going to add slices of grated cheese. And you can replace with sliced cheese if you prefer. Now add some oregano on top. The oregano is optional, but I highly recommend. It's super flavorful. And now just cover and let that cheese fully melt. And when it's done, it's ready. So this is our vegetable pie with cheese. It is now ready. It is delicious and super tasty. I would say cut a generous piece and serve it to your whole entire family. It's healthy, but it's also cheesy. You will love this recipe. So just take a piece and call the whole family to enjoy.